tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. You don't know you're gonna make a Skylife. Hold on there. So drive up on this. Skylife in the building, yo, what of them? I haven't vlogged like this in years. Years. You all know that when I just started to vlog, every day I vlog at work. I run up on the road and all leave it up. And come back. Morning. You got through with the ask already? You haven't vlogged like this in years. Let me show you guys a view. We used to show that view here a lot back in the day. Let me show you guys a board. Down there is the hip strip for all those who are new to the vlog. Zoom in. Right there, so. Margaritaville, you see man work on the thing. They might put one road across, you go over Coral Cliff. The Coral Cliff right there, so. So pretty soon you can walk from over Margaritaville or Coral Cliff and vice versa. Guys, one excitement just happened in an elevator when I come down. So this man I give me a number saying wants accounting work. Don't forget him books up to date personal accounting. So Jesus peace now the man has tried to stop the elevator. The elevator clamping on. And me I said I don't know which one for press to make it open. And me I laugh, you know. Me I said why me I laugh and you know funny. Me I said which one for press, which one for press. I never know. Oh God, you know funny. Anyways, we get the elevator up and take out the hand. What kind of excitement this for me now, Jesus? Oh boy. Anyways, I will check back in with you guys later on today. I'm vlogging today, give you an update of my day. I'll have lunch early. It's around 10:30 now. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna eat from morning. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna deal with that. Guys, this lady behind me, she doesn't know it. She sells fruits and so. She doesn't know it, but I noticed her. I've been noticing her for over the years. Other day her foot did broke. I'm gonna find out her foot did broke because I never did that. I always look out for her. She sells fruits every single day. You know, your banana, your mango, ray. And for December, I want to give her something. Either some money or something. I just want to surprise her with something nice. She works hard for that age, and I appreciate it. So, I don't know. What do you guys think I should get her? Money or something off? Hold on there. Yeah, what do you guys think I should get her? Morning, sir. Because she works really hard, and I noticed her over the years. I want to get her something nice. You don't get her something nice, I'm get her some money. One thing, something nice or some money. Comment below. Oh, then I make one bridge to go across. Finally, guys, they're making a bridge to go across the Coral Cliff I was showing you before. So guys, I'm currently at the West. I'm not supposed to eat cake right now, but a lady here, she make really nice cake. Banana bread with chocolate. And I look like I'm not out yet. So I'm gonna check to see if you have any. If I really like her cake, have a piece with my lunch. Good morning. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Morning, ma'am. I'm checking to see you don't have any banana bread this morning with chocolate. What time you start serving? Yes, please. Okay. So now I get chocolate banana bread and beat. She never have it out yet. Let me show you what she about. This bread pudding with the chocolate. I don't know what it is. Butter stuff them really nice. So guys, I devour the cake wicked. And it was really good. Warm chocolate just melted on my mouth some bakings because I was the first one who got a slice of the cake. Really good. So now the place I'm gonna go buy the food from. Already it. So I'm gonna deal with some magnificent some shirts for the seminar group printed. So I'm gonna deal with that now and then get back to you. The top is just us. Mom, I've been waiting on you. It's not on you, it's on me. How? You find no camera for me there. How about camera one go on? You tell her that. Guys, somebody wants to be on the camera.
No come round here, sir!
This is my husband. Comment below. Come on, husband!
Yo, dopey.
Husband! Trust me, I've been broken before. I've been broken. I know how it feels. I'll link an artist below. Jamaican artist. Bad. Rate him. I am Stephen. That thing here. He live I'll go my boss. Where you go now? Follow me about this one. Good evening. Huh? Forward now. Yeah, remember. Guys, you remember Vanny? Vanny on the vlog. Vanny. Win. Tell me. Sure. So yeah, do with an idea. Okay. So guys, they're on the road with the big boss now. Vanny, day one vlogging friend.
Cutest boy in the area.
Yes. They're going to with you that thing. You not ready, be? Who will wait for you? We catch one place now. You know, if food and less permit go? Yeah. Or maybe if you did it for a morning? So we can go and get you now. No, get a date.
Oh, yeah, of course. Come on.
So guys, I have to give my food and loss permit as it pertains to school. So that I can deal with that now. And the things. Yo. Yeah, we are ready. Over 5 years ago.
You're not fussy if you
Me, I'm not run down foreign. Vanny and Noah, look how much time in there. Wicked enough. I apply and I go up there and answer a question, then I apply 4 times before I get it.
How much money you spend?
Whole heap. But I applied on my own. And on our first time she applied.
On the first time she applied?
I think so. How far you follow me go?
Just come on, you can talk to me. Stop off.
I don't speak like that. Don't portray me like that. Damn, I'm glowing today. So guys, I'm currently at Hilo, which is where I shop for my stuff. Them have the seeds that you put in your protein juice, the sunflower seed, the flax seed, very good for you. And But they have a chia seed today. But they normally have chia seed too. Chia seed good for your weight loss. So they have run so. Guys, I'm working on something. I don't want to talk about it, but I just want to tell you when you're ready. And bakings. So, Hello is where I'm gonna get Melica. She's to spice up my food, but the most important thing that I get in here is tell me say hello run out all apple cider, the one with the mother in it. In here saying always. So if you have problems getting the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, you come to Hello Food Store right across Jamaica. You'll get it. Hello, link me up. Sponsorship deal. So I'm gonna get a water now and be on my way.